Hello everyone. In this video we are going to check out the tangent method for parabola. The problem statement is construct the parabola if the base is 80 mm and the axis length is 50 mm. Now in this case always remember that whenever there is a tangent method we will draw a triangle very first. What will be the size of the triangle? Triangle will be having the width of the base equal to the base size of the parabola. So over here we are having the base size equal to 80 mm. So triangle will have the base of 80 mm, and as it is having the axis of 50 mm, remember that the triangle will have the axis height of double the axis of parabola. That means if we are having the axis size of 50 mm over here, the triangle axis will be having the size of 100 mm. So we are going to draw a triangle which is going to have a base of 80 mm and the height of 100 mm. So let us start to draw that triangle. So for that I will start by drawing the horizontal line of 80 mm. So this is my 80 mm horizontal line, and on this line I will take the midpoint at the 40 mm as I am going to draw an axis from this point. So let me just take this set square at sub back, and from this point I will draw the axis. So this is my axis. Let me just mark two basic points. Very first point is the top end of my triangle, and the second will be the midpoint, that is the 50 mm, the vertex point of the parabola. So this is my vertex point of the parabola, and this is the end of the triangle. Let me just erase the extra parts. So let me say this point is A, B. So this is the base AB, and this is the upper end of the triangle. Let me say this point is C. Now I will create a triangle like this. So this is my triangle. Now over here, to draw the points of the parabola, we are going to divide the line AC into numbers of equal divisions, and the same number of equal divisions will be made on the line BC. That means we will be dividing the slant edges of our triangle. And over here, as you can observe, the line AC is not having the exact dimension. What we need to do, we need to use the equal division method for this one. So over here, as you can observe, the line is having approximately 110 mm dimension. So what we will do, we will divide the whole line into 11 equal division or 10 equal divisions. So let us say 10 equal divisions are going to be made. So over here, what I will do, I will draw one line from point A that can be easily divided into 10 equal divisions. So I will draw the 100 mm long line and divide this whole line into 10 equal divisions. So each division will have the 10 mm distance. Once done, what I will do, I will extend all the dimension, or say all the points, to my actual line AC. The process is very simple. Very first, what I need to do, I need to move this very first point to point C, because this is the only known point to me. So I will move this end point to point C, and I will use this line as a reference, and I will draw number of parallel lines, or say with this reference I will just move all the other points to the line AC. So this is my second point. This is my second point. Point number 3. So all the points are made. Let me just give them the numbering. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is the 10th point. I will do the same thing at the second side also. Now, while giving the numbering, just observe this sequence. I have started giving the numbering from here 1 to 9. Now, once again, I will continue the numbering from 1 to 9 in this sequence. Okay, so 1 to 9, 1 to 9. So, this is going to be my number 1, 2. Let me just give it a dash 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash, 9 dash. I will erase the extra work. So now I have done with the numbering. The next step to do is to connect one number with one dash number. In the same way, I will connect two number with the 2 dash, and I will continue up to 9. So as you can observe that we have received the approximate parabola over here, and all these lines that I have drawn are actually the tangent line of the parabola. Okay, so what I will do, I will try to make a very smooth curve such a way that all these lines, line number 1 1 dash, 2 2 dash, up to 9 9 dash, will become the tangent of that curve. So for that, what I need to do, I need to just pass my curve by touching these lines only. I cannot intersect them. Okay, so this is how the parabola will be drawn. So this is the final solution for the given problem. So keep practicing such kind of problems. Keep learning. Have a good day.